Hi, Erie High School students. My name is Beth Wheeler, and I'm here to help you to get registered for your Psych 101 class. We need you to do a procedure today so that you are registered in the correct class. When you originally signed up for the course, you registered for Section 280, and we need you to be in Section 281. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So from the home page, the Front Range home page, you're going to click on eWolf. And you're going to need your S number. I'm typing in mine, and you're going to need your password. Before I hit enter, I want to talk for just a few seconds. Since you've logged in and registered for Section 280, you probably have a password saved somewhere. If you don't remember that password, you can do a reset password right now. It will ask you for your S number, and it will ask you to answer a security question, and you can type in. No, actually, it will give you a temporary password that you should copy and paste. I'm not going to show you that right now. If you've never logged into eWolf before, you'll still need your S number, and then you'll use month, day, year for your initial password, and that will be your birth date, month, day, year. Okay? And if you don't have your S number, your instructor should have that, should be able to give that to you. All right, so I'm waiting for eWolf to load. And it's taking very long. Here we go. So this is what it looks like when you get into eWolf. Some of you might need to confirm your address and your major of interest. So go ahead and click the arrow boxes. They're not showing up on my screen right now because it's not asking me for that, but you can click an arrow box, click the gray confirm, click an arrow box, click the gray confirm, and then close. So it's just asking you to confirm your address and stuff like that. And that's only if you've never logged into eWolf before. If you have logged into eWolf, you won't see that. Next, we're going to go to add drop classes. And it's been doing this. It's been timing out. So let me try that again. So if it times out on you, just come back to that home page, and it's going to ask me to log in again, and perhaps we'll ask you to log in again. It's good that you're seeing all of this so that you don't just give up on the process. All right, and you're going to confirm that this is for fall 2019. Click submit here. Okay, and this is asking me to accept some stuff at the bottom. So if you've never been in before, it will ask you for these things. All right, so here's the screen I can't show you, but if you're registered, it will show that you're web registered up here at the top. And there's going to be an arrow down button next to Psych 101 280. So you should click on the arrow down button and click Drop Web. And then scroll down and click Submit Changes. I'm going to tell you what I need you to do again. I have no classes on my registration right now, so I'm describing to you what you should see on the screen right now. You should see all the Front Range classes that you've signed up for. Locate the Psych 101 Section 280, and next to that there should be a little arrow, an arrow down button. You're going to click on it, and it has one selection. It says Drop Web. Select Drop Web. You're only doing this for Psych 101, and click Submit Changes. When the page reloads, it's going to bring this up, the CRN worksheet. And in that CRN worksheet, you're going to enter the number 54443. 54443. That's the course registration number you need for Professor Mallon's Psych 101, Section 281. Section 281 is the class that's running in your last block. What's your last block? 7? What's your last block number of the day? 8. Block 8 for the day. So you're going to enter 54443. And then click Submit Changes. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to sign up for the class. But when the page reloads, it should show that you're web registered for Psych 101, Section 281, and that was CRN 54443. Hey, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me. My name is Beth, Beth, Wheeler, Wheeler, frontrange.edu, or you can give me a call at my office number, 303-678-3725. I hope you guys have a great semester. Take care.